there was also an audio leak. This audio leak is important. Today is a very important day for creators on YouTube. So important that I thought I'd actually hop on and make a video, not from my office, but from my bedroom, because today's a bank holiday. Today is the funeral of the Queen Elizabeth II, and therefore people are not in the office today. But the important news outside that is that YouTube has finally announced the monetization of YouTube Shorts. When I say finally, there has been a monetization program for YouTube Shorts for a while now, which is part of the Creator Fund. It was $110 million in which they'd dish out money to people depending on how many your YouTube Shorts views you happen to have. So if you had 1 million views, you probably made around about $1,000. But that's wildly disproportionate compared to, say, a YouTube partnership program agreement. Now, some of you may have noticed that they've started pushing YouTube Shorts more and more. In fact, they're doing really, really well. So much so, they've started updating their app offerings. See, this is what I saw on my TV this morning. It is now fully integrated YouTube Shorts, in which when you click a short, it doesn't just play the video in vertical format, it plays it like a proper YouTube short video that is loopable. It doesn't just get to the end and stop. I'm sure this is being pushed out to many others, but there was also an audio leak. This audio leak is important. The audio leak that hints at creators finally receiving income based on adverts served against YouTube Shorts. They are now suggesting that from 2023, YouTube Shorts will be monetized and the revenue split between creators, musicians, and the YouTube platform. Shorts will become part of the YouTube partnership program, meaning creators who hit certain metrics will be able to get a share of the advertisements money generated by their videos. YouTube will compete with TikTok and hope to offer a better monetization system compared to the Chinese app. They bid to create and attract creators from the platform. This will be a huge expansion to the YouTube partnership program. Already, you have to have 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 active subscribers within the last 12 months. So once you've hit that, you're just generating money off of landscape-esque videos. But the rumor that has been leaked from the New York Times is that not only are they going to be placing advertisements against the YouTube Shorts in themselves, but they're also hinting at lowering the monetization threshold. So currently, 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time. This may be lowered to get as many people in as possible. Also, this split 45% to creators, 10% to musicians, and 45% to the platform. This is a change to the current arrangement, which is around about 60-40, dependent on what deal you happen to be on with YouTube. This is a 10% slice to the musicians. This is a good idea because musicians don't get that at all with TikTok. And this is also a 10% investment in YouTube to acquire more music for you to use. This could be very interesting, and this could push YouTubers to the next level. Now, if you're a TikTok creator or an Instagram user, is this the thing that drags you over from TikTok and Instagram and finally makes you start making YouTube your home, seeing as you can be paid directly? I mean, the equivalent here happens to be that if I get 1,000 views on a YouTube video here in a normal YouTube video, I could make anywhere between $2 and $5. In some cases, maybe more, but on average, $2 to $5 is around about average across the entire site, unless you're doing finance content. Now, at the moment, as I said previously, TikTok and YouTube are doing around about $1,000 for 1 million views. That's wildly different. So if they're going to place proper adverts against YouTube Shorts like they do YouTube videos, this might be the earth-changing, industry-shattering moment in which YouTube wins the war again. Let me know how you feel about this. Are you excited for YouTube monetizing YouTube Shorts? Please leave a comment down below. Are you monetized? Do you create YouTube Shorts? Let me know. And YouTube wants you to watch this video, so go and check that one out. Or subscribe for more updates. Boop!